church, and the church has been stickered, which means you cannot enter into it. If you go into the church, then you're considered a looter, apparently. So it's all fractured up. You can see the crack runs up along here and up into the building, and it's cracked along the side on the other side, and the road's all cracked up. Pavement. I'm not sure if they have power here yet, but there's no toilets, no water. There's a portaloo down the road in front of Cameron there, but nothing else. It's all a bit cracked along here. Chimney's fallen down on that house. And the building's cracked up over there. And I don't know if you can see, but the building is all warped, and the brickwork is cracked off the side. Just across the fence. It's a bit of a mess. All the bricking has fallen off it, all the cladding. And the engineers say this needs to be demolished. So that's it. Here we are passing out food parcels with tracts inside them and toilet paper and food and all that sort of thing. We're just going from house to house, making sure everybody's got something, because some people can't get around. Some of the roads are blocked, and Rex is out in the back there passing things out. And we're running all over the place. It's pretty windy, as you can see.
Apparently, he reckons there's a lot of people left their homes already down here.
Okay.
But there's a couple of people over here. Pretty bumpy roads around here.
person in the house without the fence. That'll be that one there. This is quite a badly affected house, as you can see. The driveway is impassable, pretty much. That house looks okay, but the house next door, as well as having a shattered driveway, the garage door is well and truly ajar. Big cracks in the walls. And these people have left, obviously. Not allowed to live here anymore. This is a suburb surrounded by swamps and reserves on every side, on 3 sides. And it's been kind of forgotten by people, but it's one of the worst hit suburbs as far as liquefaction. This is one of the streets that is totally blocked off. The wind is crazy. It's blowing the liquefaction everywhere. The workmen are trying to get it cleared anyway. We're just going door to door, making sure there's no one that needs. Making sure there's no one that needs something. We're taking food parcels around and other supplies. But I don't know if you can see all that dust, but it is a mess. And that's what it's like around here at the moment. It's a real mess. And some houses are condemned. A lot of the residents here have moved out, but there might be just a few around. And that's what we're checking on. Chimneys down. A real mess. Here's an example of a house whose chimney has fallen down. They're no longer here either. And this driveway is just, I'm not sure if you can see, but that's all liquefaction and water galore. Just try and get through here without getting my feet wet. And we'll just take a look down here. And as you can see, these poor people are flooded out. Everything gone. This is just a bit of an example of some of the houses around here and what they're like. This guy still has liquefaction all over his driveway. And there's no one living in here. They're all done, except for the cat. He must be hungry. We might bring him some food. And liquefaction everywhere. And the poor people have basically abandoned the place. As you look in, things are broken. And you can just see the house is just abandoned, the door is open. Everything out of the fridge, everything's all over the floor, kids' books and everything. Poor people. So you can see what sort of a mess it is as a result. So that's what it's like around here at the moment. A real chaotic situation. This is Tim on an emergency operation. We're resupplying all the local residents in the area.
Hello.
Some residents are desperately starving and hungry, and we're making sure they're taken care of.
Hello. Hello. Come in here, Tom.
Yeah, I did this one, Tim. Yeah. Just speak.
Thanks, Kitty.
You gotta unwrap it, mate. Come on.
Poor little thing.
Alright, we're working really hard for the residents of Christchurch here. This thing is starving. Oh, look at that. It's tucking straight into that. Boy, it's probably been a week since it's had a good feed like this. This is one of the worst streets we've seen. A lot of liquefaction and flooding, a lot of damage, walls down. And this is the duplex. And on the left of the garage door, it's still fairly straight, I don't know if you can tell. And the garage door kinks very badly, and the rest of the house is on a bit of an upward slope there, and you peer in through the window and there's just TVs falling over and glass falling out of cabinets. It's a real mess. Poor people.